Question 5th, exercise 6.2. So find the intervals in which the function given fx equals to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is strictly increasing. So we have first of all differentiated it. After differentiating, we will put equal to 0 and we'll find the points which divides the real line in different intervals. So these intervals we got yesterday. Till here you have done?
Yes, ma'am. And homework also.
You have completed the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both of you have completed? Yes, Sahil, is it completed?
There was homework. The last part of this I couldn't catch on of the intent, then it got connected.
Okay. So, okay, we have already, like we were about to finish this question from minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. F dash x is positive, so it is strictly increasing in these intervals. Okay. And in interval minus 2 to 3, while in interval minus 2 comma 3, f dash x is negative, so it is strictly decreasing. Okay, then question number 6, find the intervals in which the following functions are strictly increasing or decreasing. So part A, x square plus 2x minus 5. So fx is this. First of all, we can write fx equals to this. F dash x will find f dash x equals to 2x plus 2. Then we'll put f dash x equals to 0. So 2x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 is the point which divides the real line into two intervals. So x equals to minus 1 is the point which divides real line into disjoint intervals that are minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to infinity. Okay, so now, yes, Sahil, you tell me, in interval minus infinity to minus 1, f dash x will be positive or negative?
It will be negative. No, positive.
Yes, Wasim.
1 minute.
It will be positive. Minus infinity. 1. Negative.
Negative.
F dash x will be less than 0. Okay.
Yes,
Why?
ma'am.
Because you have to choose one number. Minus infinity to
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
infinity पे एक number choose करो. Suppose minus 2 you are choosing. So minus 2 we have to substitute here. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 2. So it is negative. So it is
Yes,
less
ma'am.
than 0. Okay. So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
interval it is decreasing function. Strictly decreasing function. Okay. Then next, whenever there are two intervals which are lying close to each other, then if in one of them it is increasing, in other definitely it will be decreasing, or opposite always. Okay, so f dash x will be greater than 0 in interval. Anyway, we have to check every time, but it is true. Minus 1 to infinity, f dash x is strictly increasing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then Sixth B part, 10 minus 6x minus 2x square. Okay. So f dash x will find. That will be equal to minus 6 minus 4x. So when f dash x equals to 0, minus 6 minus 4x equals to 0, or 4x equals to minus 6, x equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay. So the point minus 3 by 2 divides the real line into two disjoint intervals, that is minus infinity to minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 to infinity. Okay, in interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. Okay, yes, Sahil, tell me, in interval minus infinity to minus 3 by 2, it will be increasing or decreasing?
It will be increasing.
Increasing. So f dash x will be greater than 0. So is strictly increasing. Okay. Then in interval minus 3 by 2 to infinity, f dash x is less than 0. So function is strictly decreasing. Okay. Then third part, minus 2x cube minus 9x square minus 12x plus 1. Okay. So, or we can do one thing, third and fourth part will be homework. Okay. 6 minus 9x. This both parts are homework. In case any doubt is there, I'll clear it tomorrow. Okay. Next part is x plus 1 the whole cube, x minus 3 the whole cube. Okay. So fx is this. Okay. F dash x will be product rule. This is u and this is v. First into dy dx of second plus second into dy dx of first. Okay. So we'll first of all take common. Okay, we have to put f dash x equals to 0. We'll rearrange it. 3 into x plus 1 the whole cube, x minus 3 the whole square, plus 3 into x minus 3 the whole cube, x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, f dash x equals to 0. So when we'll put this equal to 0, it will be 3 into x plus 1 the whole cube, x minus 3 the whole square, plus x minus 3 the whole cube, x plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so we can take common 3 into x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 3 the whole square. When we'll take common these two terms, it won't, x plus 1 plus x minus 3 will be remaining in the bracket. So this will be 3 into x plus 1 the whole square, x minus 3 the whole square, and in bracket it will be 2x minus 2 equals to 0, because this was f dash x which we have put equal to 0. Okay. Now when we'll solve each term, we'll get x equals to minus 1, x equals to 3, and x equals to minus 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, till here it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we
Yes.
have, okay. So 0, this is -1, this is 1, this is 3. Okay. So our intervals will be from -infinity to -1, -1. Okay, 0 is not a point, so we don't have to. -1 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. Okay. So this points divides the real line in various disjoint intervals that are -infinity to -1, -1 to 1, 1 to 3, and 3 to infinity. Okay. Now we'll check in each intervals whether it is positive or negative. -infinity to -1. So we'll substitute, suppose -2 we are substituting here. This is a, whatever the number is, its square is there. Whatever the number, its square is there. So it will be positive only. -2. So this will be negative. So here the number will be negative. F dash x will be negative. When it is between -1 to 1, we'll check. Suppose 0 I am choosing. So this 0 is, this both will be positive number. This will be 1 minute, -2. Okay. This is also coming negative. And when 1 to 3, from 1 to 3, suppose it is 2. So it is positive. And 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. This is also positive. Okay. So f dash x is greater than 0 for intervals 1 to 3 and 3 to infinity. So function is strictly increasing in these intervals. Okay. Then f dash x is less than 0 in interval -infinity to -1 and -1 to 1. So function is strictly decreasing in these intervals. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our homework, okay, homework is this 2 questions, and on Monday we are having test. Okay. So test of exercise